Hello YouTube! Today I'd like to take you to another spot where you can feel spring breeze. That's Matsuda Cherry Blossom Festival. If the weather is good, you can enjoy a great view of Mount Fuji in the distance. Yes, I was lucky to have filmed such a view, but an accident happened. I used the wrong lens for my camera by mistake, and the whole images became somewhat rough. I was very upset and decided to go there again the next day to shoot another video. But I was not always lucky in the weather. No Mount Fuji this time. Well, now tough decision to make. Which one to show you today? Well, I think I should leave it up to you to decide. This one here, you get to see the great view of Mount Fuji, but the images are rough. On the other hand, this one has clear image, but no Mount Fuji view. Alright, are you ready? You have 20 seconds to choose one from the other. Let's go!